ready for this holiday season? It's time to create new memories and new recipes as well. I am celebrating this season with Kavan Flaky frozen parathas to prepare yummy desserts. Welcome to the alternate use of frozen paratha series. I'm going to prepare cream roll and Danishes, yummy holiday treats. Let's first learn how to make puff pastry out of Kavan Flaky frozen parathas. Here I have the frozen parathas. Remove the plastic. Into the baking tray, take some dry flour and place the parathas. Keep dusting flour and let them defrost slightly. Do not wait longer. I just want them to be just so slightly soft so that I can start working with them. Alright, so let me show you how to make puff pastry using frozen parathas. So here I have slightly defrosted paratha. As I said earlier, do not thaw them completely, otherwise they become sticky. Now if you want your puffs to be with many layers, you can use 2 parathas or you can use even single paratha. Single paratha also gives a quite good amount of thickness, but if you want the really flaky with lots of layers of puff pastry, then what you can do, take 1 paratha and apply ghee or butter. Sprinkle flour, place another paratha on top of it, and then sprinkle a little bit more flour on the rolling board and roll and make it bigger. Alright, so roll to expand. Now just cut them into squares and never throw away the sides. Reserve them for later in many recipes, like you can use them for decoration on pie, because these parathas can be used for making pie as well. So I'm going to make remaining puff pastry using parathas. Now a lot of people have been asking me whether Kavan paratha has eggs in it. They don't have any eggs in them. Now ready puff pastry don't have any eggs in it as well, but the desserts that you get from outside may have eggs in them. So if you are looking for egg-free desserts, it's easy to make your own using Kavan Flaky frozen parathas. Preheat oven at 420 degrees Fahrenheit. Now out of this square puff pastry, roll a little bit and then make it a little bit bigger. Roll to expand. It doesn't have to be perfect, so like this, and then cut into strips. Take 1 strip at a time and using the prepared foil cylinder, start wrapping. Now when you wrap, the trick is to overlay almost quarter of pastry like this. If you want to make bigger rolls, then take another strip and wrap around the same, like so. And I'm going to prepare the remaining rolls. Onto the baking tray, dust dry flour and place all the rolls. Now be sure to keep the ends at the bottom. In this case, as you can see, and here and started here. So I'm just going to put that down like so, and the same with the remaining rolls. And the tray is ready to go into the preheated oven, 420 degrees Fahrenheit, and bake for about 10 to 12 minutes or until nice golden brown color. And here I have the rolls ready. Look at them, perfectly baked rolls. While the rolls cool down, let's prepare the filling for the rolls. For the cream roll, I'm going to use whipping cream for the filling, and also I'm going to add fruit jam, but the filling inside could be totally your favorite. To prepare the cream roll, here I have 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, and I'm going to whip until stiff peak. Like so. Add sugar and beat one more time, but be sure to mix first so sugar don't fly all over. Alright, add vanilla flavor. You can add your favorite flavor here. Here I have vanilla bean paste. Mix it. Now if you want to take your filling to the next level, add fruit jam. Just whip fruit jam a little bit and add into the cream. Now the key is not to mix everything, but make kind of a swirl. Do not over mix jam with cream. So just gently fold in. So here we have yummy looking filling ready for the cream rolls. Now take the piping bag and fill up the stuffing inside the piping bag. Smells amazing here. The rolls have cooled down as well. Carefully remove the foil. So just crank or squeeze the foil and pull carefully not to break the roll. And look at this. If you break any of the roll, don't worry, you can intact again when stuff them. So here I have the filling ready, cream with jam, and ready to fill into the roll. Look at this. Be sure to stuff from the other side as well, but hold horizontally instead of vertical. The roll is ready, and I'm going to stuff the remaining rolls. So here I have my next one. Same thing, or you can prepare variety of stuffings. And I'm going to finish the remaining rolls. One of the roll completely broke. So what I normally do with those kinds, just put it in a plate and top it up with some cream and snack on it. Taste yummy. Let's plate up the cream rolls. And here I have collected all the leftovers, and let's create something unique dessert out of this. I'm making cream cheese Danishes from these leftovers. Dust some dry flour and take a couple of pieces from leftovers. Twist in the opposite direction like this, and then just shape however you like and seal the ends. Pinch to seal and press. So I'm just trying to basically shape it in a round. I'm gonna need one more piece of pastry and just press Hopefully it stays while we bake. Just press the middle where we are going to fill up the cream cheese, and if desired you can also put some fruits or jam, just stuff however you like. And I'm going to prepare the remaining danishes like this. Keep them covered. And for the danishes, I'm going to use cream cheese filling. Preparing the cream cheese mixture is pretty quick and easy. Here I have the quarter cup of room temperature softened cream cheese. To that, I'm going to add a tablespoon of powdered sugar, vanilla bean paste. Vanilla bean paste is quite concentrated, so I just need 2 drops, and mix really well. So the cream cheese mixture is ready. I have jam. You can use your favorite jam, strawberry jam, peach. So into the prepared pastry, first I'm going to spread cream cheese just in a center. Keep the outside clean like so. And now on top of cream cheese, jam just in a very center like so. Doesn't it look pretty already? Take the baking tray, dust dry flour, and place the prepared danishes on the baking tray. And the tray is ready to go into the preheated oven, 420 degrees Fahrenheit. Here I have the cream cheese danishes ready. Look at them. Quite hot, but look at the bottom. Perfectly baked Danish. Bring them down onto the cooling rack. When they have cooled completely, plate them up. Bring them down onto the serving plate. Look at this. Alright, so what do you think of these desserts made out of Kawan flaky frozen parathas? No one even could imagine that these are made from frozen parathas. Also, I highly recommend to watch my playlist for preparing many yummy recipes using ready Kawan flaky frozen parathas. So I am going to just bite from this, the one that was broken. It smells so good already. Crispy. The whipping cream filling with jam is just totally heaven. Let's check. The Danish is made from leftovers. I definitely want that jam and cream cheese. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please do like and comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new recipe videos every week. You can also visit my website bhavnaskitchen.com for new recipe tips, tricks and ideas in the kitchen. You can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Pinterest, Bhavna's Kitchen is everywhere. You can also watch me on a big TV screen using Roku, Amazon Fire, and also I highly recommend to download my apps totally free, and you can just find everything in one place. Thanks for watching and see you soon. I am simply loving and enjoying developing recipes using Kawan flaky frozen paratha.